Congratulations to new tutorial. Into that video tutorial we'll talk about polygon. There is the option to get polygon. You see here the inscribed polygon. There are three kind of polygon: inscribed polygon, circumscribed polygon, and add polygon. Whenever you click in any polygon, it tell you enter the number of side, how many side you want to. For example, I want to get like 6 side and enter. Yes, and give then it tell enter the center point. What you wanna have the center point, like you can give like some point like 0 0. See, it automatically get the center, or now it tell you radius, like I give 30 mm radius, and the center point 0 0, and the edge is 1 2 3 4 5 6 side. Okay, what you can like randomly like fantastic. Now another the some circumscribed polygon is similar, it's same, like let's give corner center here, enter the radius like 50, and enter is similar. Okay, same too. And the edge polygon is something like it need edge, something like I gonna see. Wow, fantastic, it need edge to get polygon. Yes, sorry, yes, sorry, yes, see, fantastic, it's sometimes needed. Yes, that kind of process sometimes need. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.